Yhicey Hawt, and I am your special effects instructor for Talents of the World Academy. I hope you enjoy the classes. I hope you enjoy your time with us. We have a lot in store for you. Just a little bit about me. I am born in New York, half raised in New York, half raised in Florida. Whoop, whoop. I am a singer, I am a dancer, I am a writer. I write books, I write a TV series. I am a talent agent, talent manager. I do special effects makeup. I make lipsticks and lip glosses, and I do hair, and you name it. Yes, he does it. But I want you to definitely check out my profile, come check out my videos, and learn how to do some cool special effects with me. What? Bye, hoodies.